Why is yawning contagious, and what happens in your brain? You might think it's just about tiredness, but the truth reveals a surprising link to social connection and brain wiring. Yawning is more than just a sign of tiredness. When you yawn, you take a deep breath that cools your brain, helping it stay alert. This reflex also increases blood flow and oxygen to your brain. So yawning actually helps your brain function better, especially when it's feeling sluggish or overheated. This biological purpose sets the stage for why yawns can be so powerful and contagious. You might have noticed that yawns are contagious. When you see someone yawn or even read about yawning, your brain mimics the action. This happens because specific brain areas, like the mirror neuron system, activate to copy others' behavior. It's a type of unconscious empathy, linking you socially to others by sharing their state of tiredness or boredom. Your brain's mirror neuron system helps you imitate others, which explains contagious yawning. The hypothalamus, which controls body temperature and emotional responses, also gets involved. Together, these parts help synchronize group behavior and possibly strengthen social bonds. Contagious yawning might be an ancient way humans and animals stay connected and alert as a group. Studies show that people who are more empathetic tend to catch yawns more easily. This suggests contagious yawning reflects how sensitive your brain is to others' feelings. It may help build trust and understanding in social groups. So, when you yawn after seeing someone else yawn, your brain is actually connecting with their emotional state. Yawning is a fascinating mix of biology and social connection. It cools your brain, triggers empathy, and helps you bond with others without a single word. Next time you catch a yawn, remember your brain is linking you to the people around you. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and keep your curiosity alive.